That's 556? Is that 556?
I don't know. I'm taking the one you want out.
556 is that one right there.
I've been told
You want this one out, right?
Ah!
Thanks to Crest Rejuvenating Effects, the new toothpaste that helps keep your smile looking and feeling younger longer because it does three
Burn
things.
2 fingers.
One, it strengthens
I didn't burn you.
Yes, what the fuck? I'm right here. You're fucking holding it right there. Look, you burned this fucking finger. You burned this finger.
Crest Rejuvenating Effects.
You
Looking
fuck.
younger longer.
You put your hand out there. I didn't burn you.
The fuck you holding it towards me?
I'm fucking sorry.
It's out of my-
You want this one out, right?
Yeah. What's that? 556?
No, 556 is down here.
People photo shoot.
What's that one?
Jay-Z
I don't know.
is here. Michelle Branch is here. A lot of people.
Rose in the corner. Damn, you motherfucker.
That shit hurt like a bitch, too.
Look. Tell my fucking skin white, bro. It smells like fucking pork. Look at that. It smells like pork, man. I'm real. It smells like pork. Motherfucker, man.
Or you just have the mean face, or you have to change, or the hair and makeup. But I mean, at the end of the day, when it's the hot, you have to do the best. Very tedious, though. You gotta get a lot of sleep before a photo shoot.
Niggas turn out hot. The photographer is hot. He's ill. The picture's gonna come out real nice.
We are down here in Daytona, BET Spring Bling. Getting ready to do the sound check jump off. It's not rowdy yet because it's early. There's gonna be a